thank you for watching. And one thing I have to tell you guys, we've got house tour baby, house tour baby.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video from HSTV. And in today's video, a very anticipated video. I know that we said this almost a year ago. We are finally doing a house tour. And I know that you guys have not seen my sister and my brother in a very long time, so they're also here.
You can just call us so there's actually no point of just it sounds different.
Anyways, so if you're new to the channel and you actually don't know who we are or who I am, I'm the one who's mostly on the channel. These guys come in every once in a while to put in a bit of lightheartedness and fun into the channel. I'm actually a medical student. Most of the videos on my channel are to do with studying medicine at Edinburgh University. But
excuse me, you've said medical student like I think a gazillion times in your video, so there's actually no point of saying it now.
A few minutes later.
Actually, a lot of you requested that I do a room tour and a house tour.
That's basically what I was gonna say.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yes, hope you guys enjoy it. Best of luck and just
Best of luck watching it, guys. Get your popcorn, get your blanket.
Yeah, get your popcorn, get your blankets, and get your Netflix out and watch.
No, don't watch Netflix video. They should be watching YouTube.
2 hours later.
Subscribe, like, and share videos. Get them round.
Just bye. See you later. Good luck. I'll see you later.
And he's gone.
As soon as you come into the house, this is what you would see. You have the stairway going up like this.
Yeah.
You also have like a large hallway going.
Yeah, a large hallway where you can see the toilet.
You know what? I'm just gonna let you guys see it. And for you guys, especially, we have arranged our best tour guide. Mr. Hadi. Mr. Hadi will be your tour guide for this house for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. But yeah, as soon as you come in, that is what you will see. And living room is like there, and you have a kitchen right here, and yeah, like
and you have me right here.
Okay, everybody. So I filmed the living room that I made.
You made the living room?
Yes, I did.
Right.
Okay, so look.
This is very professional tour guide right here.
And it's not.
We have got chairs. tour guide of this, but I'm just helping him out to reveal the kitchen.
So here we have our kitchen, and it's very nice.
We have a cooker.
Kitchen.
We have a cooker. We have some broccoli.
And here we have our beautiful toilet.
Yeah.
Edith, would you like to?
Okay. So this is a sink. This is a cup where you can take water. And this is a towel.
Yeah, we can just do that.
Okay, we're gonna be revealing our upstairs. So come on, let's go. Revealing our upstairs. This is cameraman's room.
So this is the cameraman's room.
Yes, cameraman's
that's me.
room.
Yes. And this is mine and Hardy's room.
Yes,
over
we share
here.
a room. You might have not known that.
Yeah.
But and this is our parents' room.
So here we have a store. We have an
Yes.
upstairs toilet. This is basically just like the downstairs toilet, but it's just got a bathtub. Downstairs got a shower. And this is my parents.
Because you guys are totally going to be coming to our toilet, definitely.
Yeah. Period.
guys, well that is going to be the end of the video. Yep, that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed.
Yeah.
Please do give this video a like and
Yeah,
let me know in the
yeah,
comments
like
which
and-
room was your favorite. I know it was obviously my room.
Obviously,
Obviously
our room.
obviously our room. She's just saying it as a joke.
Yeah, your head's getting cut off.
Oh, okay. I'm
down.
sorry.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, if you have any video suggestions for me or anything you want to say to me, please do say it down in the comments. I do reply to every single one of you.
Commitment, determination.
Yes.
And again, subscribe, like, and share our videos.
Yes, again and again and again, millionth time, and bye. I'm doing this just like the intro.
Right, goodbye then, I guess.
Yes. See you later.